Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Just Fixing Stuff. On this episode here, it's basically just a quick and dirty version of a transmission flush. I just go through it step by step, and it's just essentially draining it down, dropping the pan, changing the filter, and then filling it back up and testing it to make sure that it is at the correct level. Um, I'll have the full video out probably in the next couple weeks. This one's more just a condensed version, and it just gets all the important stuff essentially. But yeah, other than that, please enjoy the video.